Sure, it is easy to recommend iPads when your wallet is stacked, but peek over the fence at Android and you might want to switch. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. Apple makes the best tablets in the world, from the budget 11th gen iPad to the powerful iPad Pro M5. The lineup is polished, magnetic, and effortless, with iPad OS 26 even cosplaying as a laptop, but Android tablets now can do things iPads simply won't. Take Samsung Dex for instance. It's got a desktop mode that actually means a desktop. Plug a Samsung tablet into a monitor and boom, Samsung Dex turns it into a real PC with windowed apps and a taskbar. Not tablet but bigger, but an actual design. Even Google's Pixel tablets can now do a proper desktop style. Meanwhile, iPad's external display still feels like it's pretending. Secondly, Android installs apps from anywhere. Third-party stores, raw APK files, done. Apple still guards the App Store like a medieval fortress, collecting its cut and deciding what lives and dies. Certainly we can't leave out the PC gaming Snapdragon 8 Elite tablets, which are edging towards Steam Deck Mini territory. People are running full PC titles, even Cyberpunk 2077 on Android hardware. Meanwhile, iPads have monstrous M-series chips and mobile ports. Talking about the micro SD slots, tablets like the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 let you add cheap storage. Meanwhile, the iPad Pro charges hundreds and sometimes thousands for the same privilege. And if you ever wanted color e-ink options, Android devices experiment with eye-friendly paper-like displays, while Apple just doesn't have any. Sure, the iPad's refined and Android tablets are restless, but right now, restless looks a lot more fun. Are you switching? For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.